Hey guys, this is Anjali. Welcome to the Rigid Truth. Today we will understand what are the different types of MBA. The full form of MBA is Master of Business Administration. So who can do it? All the graduates of commerce, science and arts can do MBA. What is the need? So if you want to start your own business or if you are a business oriented person who loves to solve business related issues for other companies, then yes, this is the perfect degree for you. There are different types of MBA. Talking about the MBA in marketing, specifically there are two categories. One is sales, another is research. The research team of marketing does the research on what type of market we can sell the product. Contrast to that, the sales field actually go to the market and sells the product. If you are a person who loves to do a desk job or office job, then the research field is best for you. But if you are a person who is extrovert and who loves to talk with the people and who is best in dealing with the end consumers, then sales field of marketing is suitable for you. Both the fields gives you enough good package. In terms of sales, there is a bit higher package as compared to the research because sales field deals with the incentives, the target. As per you achieve some target, you will receive higher and higher incentives with respect to your salary. In this case, there is a fixed salary which you always going to get, but there will be the higher incentive with the salary. I'll explain in the detail in the next video where I'll only discuss upon the marketing field of MBA. So talking about the next MBA, that is MBA in finance, in the field, this field is suitable for you if you are good in numbers or if you have come up from a commerce background. Mostly MBA in finance jobs comes from banking field. All the underwriter, audit related jobs or where you need to analyze the balance sheet, the income statement of the company, all this type of jobs comes under MBA in finance. The next is human resource management, that is HR manager. All the companies requires HR manager for the selection and recruitment of the employees, as well as HR manager handles all the pay slips related to the employees. The next is operations as well as IT. These two MBAs are somewhat similar to each other. Most of the software companies hires operations as well as IT related people. The profile is analyst, where you need to analyze the company's decisions. Tableau, SPSS, SAS related tools used in the same. The last is health related MBA. This field is very hit due to COVID-19. If you have come up from pharma background, then this field is best for you. As I said this because all the pharma related people are used to with the terms and terminology used in a health field. If you are not from a pharma background, then also you can do this MBA. Comment me the field where you are interested in. I'll make the particular separate video on that field as per your majority of the comments. In that video, I'll explain what is the benefits of opting that particular field, what type of college are suitable for the same, what is the fees related comparison of that college. So you just need to comment me the interested field of yours. If you have commented marketing, then I'll explain you all the possible related details of the marketing field. Thank you then. Up till then, take care, goodbye, see you.